subscribers, it's Dark here, and today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of the 4.5 LED Zero. But before I unbox this, subscribers, thank you for liking my videos of my paper drawings for the Carnival and my other video of the haunted house unboxing. So today, I'm going to be unboxing this LED Zero. So, let's get into this. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, here's the parts we're going to need.
There he is!
I know, right?
It's the little cutie Zero.
Yeah. So, let's get all the parts out. Okay.
Getting an assist from Daddy today?
Yeah. So, okay, there's this, the parts.
Looks like pieces of the frame.
Yeah. There's his.
He's so big!
Oh.
And there's his head.
Oh.
Zero! Your
Yeah, that's just like the last 4 George unboxing.
We sent you a Zero head in a box.
That's a different film.
I can't get it out.
Alright.
Daddy'll help you. Look at his cute little pumpkin nose.
Oh, you're talking about the pumpkin nose?
Mm-hmm.
Right there? What if I just put it close to the camera?
There it is. No little pumpkin nose. Oh,
And there's his whole body.
He's perfect.
Yeah.
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah. Okay. And we have shiny thing. What? It's okay. Okay, so here's all the pieces and parts. Here we have parts of a base. Zero's his ears. This little tiny piece. Instructions.
Very important instructions.
Yeah.
Although I think we could figure this out.
Head and body. Okay, let's see what I'm doing first. Okay, we're starting off with the base.
With the base.
Okay. Seems like he knows what he's doing.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the center,
Yeah, that's the center.
and those are the outsides.
Okay. Let's see.
Let's see.
So this one's C, B, and this has to be A.
CBA.
CBA. Or ABC.
ABC.
That alphabet.
Oh.
There you go.
Remember?
That's right.
Remember the last unboxing of the deep sea diver? It was hilarious. Yeah.
Alright, we gotta push
Now
the
we're
button.
doing Zero.
I personally think Zero's cooler than the deep sea diver, but
Alright.
you know.
Yeah, you know Einstein. You know what I mean.
So now what do we do?
I think we could just take this.
It's time for D.
It's time
D.
for D.
How convenient. They put it in order. A, B, C, D. Like they're trying to make it easy for us. Wow, that's tall.
Yep, you had it right, I think.
You just have a button to push in, and those buttons are hard.
Yeah.
I pinch my fingers all the time with those buttons.
Can you get that button?
Oh, I couldn't do it.
There you go.
It's all right. They're
I
tough.
guess I have to do. I know.
All right. What's next? What's next? What's next?
So we have to connect this to this.
Alright, we have a little clip here
Okay.
that holds
Yeah.
it together. So we'll take that clip out.
Okay. And just slide it over there.
Nicely done.
Oh,
Perfect.
Here we go.
Teamwork. Such
Teamwork. Yes, teamwork.
Such great teamwork. All right.
Now it's time for the body. Which is this over there.
It is this right here.
This is my body.
Okay.
This is my body.
Here's the piece that slides
Wait,
right
do
over
we
there.
need to put batteries in before we do this?
The magic of editing, batteries will magically be in there.
Will they?
Yeah.
Looks like Daddy has a ghost on his head.
Boom.
Yeah, bull.
Okay, what's next?
Next.
Okay, what's next?
I'm so excited, little Zero.
Okay, now it's time for the head with the wires.
Head with the wires.
Yeah, get out of the way here.
Okay, we gotta match the clips up.
Okay. Okay, there's yellow and blue.
All right.
Clip on.
Yeah. It looks like 4.5 feet.
4.5 feet tall? Yeah, probably, because go stand by it. It's pretty accurate to me.
And 4.5 feet.
Yeah, about.
You want to do this, Jax?
Yeah, I think I want to do this.
All right, so we gotta match up the. Oh no, here.
Okay.
There.
Okay,
Now
there.
spin his head forward. The other way.
Twist it towards you. Zero, you're coming to life.
Ears.
You need ears, buddy.
Okay, there's the ears. The ears.
So Zero's ears go backward.
Backward.
What's
You
that?
mean like this?
Yeah, because he's a ghosty doggy. He's floating around.
You mean like this,
Perfect.
Daddy?
You did awesome. Oh. What a little cutie. You and the doggy. Your daddy too.
Need some help?
Mhm. Yeah, here we go. Come on.
There we
It's
go.
exciting. It's so exciting. Hello, little cutie.
Yeah, it looks so cool.
What do you think? Are you excited to have little Zero?
Yeah.
Who's not so little? He's pretty big. This
So
is the
assembly.
only kind of doggy we own.
Yeah.
Assembly's pretty nice, right? Pretty easy.
Yeah.
Straightforward.
Yeah.
All right. So then, now we need to see what it looks like at night, right?
Okay. Now let's try it out.
He's so cute.
This is what it looks like at night.
There he is.
Yeah. I know it's cool. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
There's his pumpkin nose.
Yeah.
What do you think of him at night, Jax?
It was so cool. 10 out of 10 rating.
Nice.
Yeah, it looks cool.
I agree.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.